Hey friends, welcome back to another video. It's the girl Terry, and of course today, as you can see, I'm outside. All right, so guys, maybe you know or you don't know yet, but I try to plant little stuff here and there. I'm not a big farmer. I was born in the city, raised in the city, so yes, of course, a lot of things I'm still learning, right? But I did plant some potato. Don't know how long it should take to get ready, right? But I'm gonna show you what I have working with, and I'm gonna actually empty out the container and see what's inside of there. All right, I've planted it back a few months ago. I want to say 4 or 5 months ago. As I said, I'm not sure if it's ready. You see that the top right are dead. I'm gonna know if that's a sign. So we are gonna know today if it's yay or nay, potato or not, potato or not. All right. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna walk over to where my potato is. This I'm gonna undo down the little plastic where I have to empty out stuff. So I'm gonna turn over the container on top of this and see what we can find. Now look how my something turn out to be. Dry out and dead. Thanks to the winter, thanks to the cold. But as I said, I'm gonna spread this out and see what we'll come up with. What a beautiful day. The sun is hot, and oh, come on now. Alright, let me get the tripod so we can actually figure this thing out together. Alright. Alright guys, so open a laugh off of me, okay? So this is the Yukon Gold potato, or supposed to be potato. Let's see what we have. Oh, wait, some little stuff. Wait, yeah. Talk to my thing now. Talk to my thing. Let's see potato. Look, see? The girl have little green thumb after all. Talk to my thing. Nice. Alright guys, so it's 2 tubs of potatoes. Wanna see that? 2 of it. See if we can carry no closer. Two tubs. As I said guys, when I grew up, I wasn't born in the country, born in the city. I'm saying, let me try a thing. And look what we found. Potato. Successfully did it. Wow. Such a good thing when you can plant yourself and you can reap something from it. It encourages you to do even better next time. So these are the baby ones. I'll figure out a recipe for them. Oh boy. See that? Nice. Me know about farming, guys. I know not a thing about farming. So when I say this can't go back. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna repurpose that dirt. no dirt around here, so repurpose. Let me tell you guys, you see when time I plant my stuff, I do it organically. So anything that I get, I am grateful for it. Because yes, I could have put a lot of stuff on it, fertilizer, things to make it grow bigger and plentiful. But I like it to take its own course. Right? And the reason why I am wearing my gloves is I don't want to go put my hand into something that, you know, things curl up in my nails and stuff like that. So we get a little something. Give thanks. Ah. Guys, so don't laugh off of me, okay? After all, this is what I got. More than I was expecting. Alright guys, so the sun too hot outside so in the yard. So we come under this little shed, and excuse the environmental noise. But surprisingly this is what I got, you know? And it's encouraging me to do more. This is my first time planting this kind of potato, and to know that it went through a brutal winter, but yet still the two little plants that was left back in the pot, I could heal these from it. And guys, yes, it's gonna be a breakfast thingy. We'll cut it up, and you know, maybe I'll do a video cooking it up. But me encourage, me happy for know say I am not a farmer, and me I try a little thing, and me I see kinda me I reap success. Okay, so yes, there we go, and plant some more, and we're gonna do it bigger and better next time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.